The LG V20 user here, and today I'm making a video about the iPhone 12 Pro Max for a bit mobile. so the iPhone 12 Pro Max is 900 mobile. It's available with 3 storage options: 128 gigs, 56 gigs, or 12 gigs. You have 4 colors of graphite, silver, gold, and blue. Currently the 128 GB version is out of stock. The 256 GB version is in stock, and the 512 GB version is out of stock already. So only the 256 GB version is currently in stock. So let's go ahead and check out the iPhone 12 Pro Max here. So this is what the phone looks like. You guys have your notch for your AirPods from best in camera. Power button is on the right side of the phone. Right here on the right side of the phone is your lit switch and your volume keys. The back of the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a triple camera system. Camera flash and Apple logo on the blue. There it is from the back again. Like I said, power button on the right side of the phone now. Triple camera on the back with the flash. Left side has your lit switch and the volume keys. And there it is in the full color, so pretty nice. So it says here, iPhone 12 Pro Max, 5G to download huge files on the go, and stream HDR video. Larger 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, ceramic shield with 4 times better light performance, incredible low light photography with the best pro camera system on an iPhone, and 5 times optical zoom range. Some upgradable vision video recording, editing, and playback. Nightmare portraits and the next level AI experiences with the LiDAR scanner, powered for A14 Bionic chip, and new MagSafe accessories for easy attach and faster wireless charging for indefinitely spectacular possibilities. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a big ass 6.7-inch OLED display, 12 megapixel cameras, 30 hours of talk time, 4K videos, and iOS 14 of course. How's a work of course is ordered today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick a point and activate a month. Now I wish they would make this thing bigger, because sometimes it's hard to see the text and shit. But let's continue anyway. Sensor faster forward. 5G speed A14 Bionic, the fastest chip in this smartphone. Apple says that shit every fucking year. And a pro camera system that takes low light photography to the next level with an even bigger zoom on iPhone 12 Pro Max. A design pushed right to the edge. The Super Retina XDR display goes edge to edge with ceramic shield but has 4 times better light performance. Hello 5G, super fast speeds, super low latency so you can get faster downloads, better quality video streaming, and more responsive gaming and real-time interactivity there. The chip that pushes what's possible. Introducing the first 5nm chip in the industry, which means more speed, more power, more efficiency. AR at the speed of light. LiDAR creates accurate depth maps and nanoseconds, so objects are placed instantly and more accurately in AR experiences. A new day for Nightmare. Nightmare goes wide and ultra wide, and it's even better at capturing natural color in dim light. The new wide camera captures 27% more light, 60 times more colors. Wow. 10 big HDR recording makes video more likely you can easily edit, watch, and share W Vision videos too. First camera to record in W Vision. AirPlay lets you stream 4K W Vision video to your Apple TV or Smart TV. Specs on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, max life and Q while charging. 30 hours of talk time, and removable battery, of course. 3 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. Has a 14-bar chip, iOS 14. 3 cameras in the back at 12 megapixel, ultra-wide, wide-angle, and telephoto cameras. The ultra-wide camera lens is f2.4 aperture and 120 degrees field of view. The wide-angle camera is f1.6 aperture. Then the telephoto camera lens is f2.0 aperture lens. Display is 6.7 inches OLED Super Retina XDR display. Your dimensions for the iPhone 12 Pro Max is 6.33 inches height, 3.7 inches width, and 0.29 inches depth. The iPhone 12 Pro Max weighs 8.3 ounces. So this one is a hefty phone, so you keep it in mind. Your connectivity options for the iPhone 12 Pro Max includes Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, Lightning connector, Apple Pay. Other features: FaceTime video and audio, Apple Card, and Siri, of course. So what's included in the box is your iPhone 12 Pro Max with iOS 14, documentation, and USB-C to Lightning cable, and that is it. A charging brick this year, so if you guys have a charging brick, use that. So if you guys need help with your phone, Beach Mobile has you covered with that. So it says here, want to know everything there is to know about this phone, run everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So, there you guys have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's not here at Beach Mobile. It's available now. The 128GB version and 512GB version that they're not in stock right now. Only the 256GB iPhone 12 Pro Max is in stock right now. The 128GB or 512GB is out of stock right now. So just keep it in mind. So if you guys want a big ass iPhone with a big screen, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the phone for you to pick up with. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys are else I want, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.